Hey everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through adding a clickable item to your Canva designs. Let's dive in. Imagine you have a PDF file and you wish to embed a clickable button. Here's how you can achieve that. Start by opening Canva and searching for a PDF template to work with. Once you have your template, personalize the content to suit your needs. Navigate to the Text tab and insert a text box. Enter your desired text and customize the style. To make it look like a button, select the text and go to Effects under the Background option. Adjust the roundness to create a pill-shaped button. Modify the spread to resize the background. Then choose suitable background and text colors for visibility. Now let's make the button clickable. Right-click on the text, select Link, and enter the URL. Click Done to save the link. To test the button, download your design as a PDF. Open the PDF, locate your button, and click on it to ensure the link functions correctly.